Wondering how to design a website for your business or for yourself in 2021? Here are some simple and straightforward ways to design one for yourself. Alright, so we have some simple steps in here. These are the steps. Step number 1, you have to buy a domain name and hosting. Number 2, you log into the backend of your cPanel, you buy a theme or get it for free. Then you have to import some data or you customize it. You install some important plugins and you edit your content and you're done. All right, so what do we mean by a domain name? This is the name of your website. And hosting is where your files will be kept so that you can retrieve them, you can edit them over the cloud. All right, so for a domain name, if we have a website like citycloud.co.zw, the word citycloud here is this is the domain name. Then .co.zw is called a TLD or a top level domain. It shows where exactly the website is. So this is a website called CityCloud and it's a company in Zimbabwe. So we may have something like .com. This is commercial. We may have something like .in. It means it's a website in India. .za it's a website in South Africa. That's a domain name, and to the far of the domain name shows the country where the business is cited. Right, so choosing a domain name, you have to go to any of the hosting companies. Here we prefer Bluehost because it's simple, it's fast, it gives us so many options that we have to go with. All right. We also have included so many other companies that do web hosting, and that's where you can also get your emails as well. All right, so we want to build our website using a content management software known as WordPress. So if you hit the link in the description of this video where it's written Bluehost, it will land you to a website like this one. So here we want to first we want to choose our domain. Right, let's come here and choose our preferred domain. You come where it says domain. Right, here you type the name of your website. That's your desired name here. Let's say the best blogger. Let's cross check if you've written all the words correctly. Here I've put a double R intentionally. All right, here we come, you click search. Right, so here it will tell you if your preferred name is either available or already taken. This one is available, so we can add it to cart. Right here it has given us an option to have domain privacy and protection for close to $12 per year. So right, so this is our total. That's $24.87 per year. Right, this is another available options. Maybe you want to do bestblogger.net, bestblogger.tech, whatever you want to go with. Right, if you're right to that, you click proceed. Then here you can come and add free hosting. They provide free hosting. That's some of the reasons why we advise you to go with Bluehost. Right, let's say proceed with a day of trial. Right, here you need to fill all the information with all the necessary details. After you fill in here, you choose your payment option, your credit card number, a Visa, a MasterCard, or you can go with PayPal. So you have these two options here for your payment options. All right, once you are done with the purchase, you click purchase now, and you receive an email like this one that will allow you to log to what we call the cPanel or the control panel, whereby you can start configuring your website. All right, so this is a sample of the email that you receive from once your domain is done. This is for a different domain. You see here the hosting package and a different domain here. So you have to pay your hosting per month, or per year. It's like a rental for space on the cloud. Right. Besides Bluehost, we have other options for those in Zimbabwe. We have WebCity. It's a great one. You can come here, you do the same. You come to the home page, you search for your preferred domain name. Let's say you want to go with the same example, best blogger.com. All right. So here you can have an option whereby you can buy a domain from another hosting company or another domain reseller. Then you can transfer it to another hosting company. That is, maybe you can buy where domains are cheap, then you transfer it to another hosting provider where hosting is cheap. All right. It's easy and it's doable. Right. So here you see our domain is available as well. And here we are getting it for $99.99. That is $20. If you come and compare with Bluehost, here you see we are getting it at this is $24. But if we remove privacy protection, then we will be getting it at $13 per year. So now you see where the difference is. Some they may be cheaper than others. Right. Here you can proceed to checkout, and you follow the simple steps thereafter. Right here you can come and you leave these name servers as they are, then you click continue. Right here, if you click continue. If you happen to be purchasing a domain for someone, then you may have to enter their details so as to avoid, like here you have to enter the person's details. If you are registering for someone where it says domain registrant information, here you enter your details because you're the one who is going to be billed. Once you are done here, you follow the simple steps. You add your credit card number, then your domain will start being processed. Once you receive an information like this one where it says this is your new account, your hosting package, your login details, this is your control panel, right? You click here where it says the URL, then you copy the username and the password as they are. Come here, you log into your cPanel here. All right. So you come here, you copy the username. Copy this one. It's here. Let's copy the password as it is. Let's enter it here. Let's click login. Right. So here it's because my login credentials are incorrect, but if yours are correct, then you log in and come to an interface like this one. Right, this is the same interface that we use for us to create custom email accounts. Let's say you want to create email accounts first. Right, let me log in here just a moment. Okay, that's my username and that's my domain, my username and password for the purpose of this video. Right, so we want to create an email. Simply come here, you click create. Then here you write whoever's username here at something.com or .co.zw or .co.za or .co.uk, whatever it is. So let's write something like makumcha 8 at shaminiklogistics.co.zw. Then here you can choose an option to set a password like now, or you can choose an option whereby the configuring steps will be the login link will be sent to an alternate email address. That's how you go about creating email accounts, and you follow the simple steps thereafter. Right. I believe your cPanel may be a bit different from mine, but you see a cPanel like this one. Right. So with this one here, we just you can come here for under emails where it says check webmail, and you're gonna create your email accounts. Now let's go to the option of creating a website in a fast and easy way. Right, what you have to do is want to install what is known as WordPress. Right, so here let's come on our main theme. You come down here, leave billing, you leave files, you leave SEO and marketing, you leave domains. you come down here which says WordPress Manager. All right, I'll talk about the other options later on. Let's come here. It says WordPress Manager by Software Clears. That is under software. All right. So here we want to install WordPress. Okay, this is a content management software whereby it's something that is already coded, and we just need to install the software at the back end of our website, and we start customizing it. All right, here let's remove here it says in directory, because we just need our URL to be https://shaminiklogistics.co.zw or whatever domain that you have chosen here. All right, let's click quick install. Right here, this is the admin email. You may have to change it to whatever email that you want. Here I want to change it to my email so that I can receive some login steps for the admin panel. All right, here it says select the plugins. We'll talk about this later on. So our admin username and password will be admin, then pass. You can change them. Right, then here it says email installation details too. You choose an email. Please make sure you enter an email that you can easily access. Right, okay, let's click install. Now you see it's installing, and this may take 3 to 4 minutes. So you must not leave this page until the progress bar reaches 100. Let's just wait for a moment. As we are waiting, then right, it's done. Congratulations, the software was installed successfully. Right, so this is our website. If you open it, you see it doesn't have anything fancy on it. Right, that's our website. It's very ugly and it looks very empty. Right, that's all about the recently created website. Right, let's go now about customizing it. So to customize it, we need what is known as a theme. A theme basically is the framework of a website, right? Then we need what are known as plugins. Plugins, they are add-ons that will help to modify the basic framework of the website. All right, so here I have received an email with our setup steps, but no worries, because it just gives us an admin URL, the URL of our website, an admin website, admin username, and a few other details that you must not be worried of. All right, so if we click here on our admin email, still it gives us the option to log to the backend of our website. So here we have to add our username, that's admin, our password, pass. Just cross check if you have entered the correct things, but you can change the password at the backend of your website, and even the username and the other email address. Now we are at the backend of our website. All right, so here we are on our lesson plan. Let's come on our lesson plan. So we have purchased the domain name and hosting. We have logged into the backend of our channel. Now let's get to the option of buying a theme or getting it for free. Then we move on to importing demo data and customizing. All right, if you want to buy a theme, this is what you do. We're done with Bluehost. All right, so hit the link which is written theme forest in your in the description of this video. It will take you to this option. All right, so here this is whereby we can get links for virtually anything. If you hit that link, then you can come here where it says responsive WordPress website. Right, let's choose a website of our own. Let's say logistics website. Here we can find virtually a pre-coded website of virtually anything that we may need, and the price here. So you can preview it just to see how it goes like. If you are interested, then you simply click the buy now option. Right, this is a sample of a logistics website, right? This is so great. You see, it has been customized for logistics, air cargo, sea freight, road transport. You can do online bookings. They have blogs that have been written already. They have about us and all the information that we may need. Right, so if you're not interested, then you can close. You come here, you look for other websites, taking into account what you need, taking into account your budget as well. Right, so here we have tags that we can choose with. For those who want to make another type of website, just come here to the search panel, then you choose the website of choice. Right, so let's say I want to buy this website. So I come here and click buy now. Buy now. Right. So here you see I can I have my billing details already there. So the website going for $39 plus $2 handling fee. That's a total of $21. So let's say here you enter your card details. Here you enter your expiry date, the year, CVV number at the back of your card. Then here you come and click make payment. If you want to pay via PayPal, the option is here. For Skrill, to the far right. Right, after you click checkout with PayPal, then you'll be able to receive an email to the email that you have used upon creating your account. That email will give you an option to download and put your files into a zip file. All right, I'll show you how to upload the zip file to the backend of your website. All right, so after purchasing your theme, then now let me show you the option of getting a theme for free, but I advise you to purchase a theme so that you can get it with some custom code added onto it. All right, so let's come to the backend of our website. That's here. Sorry, this is our cPanel. Right, here is the backend of our website. All right, so let's say, for example, we need to okay, let's say we need to have a website that is just a business website. So let's say we need a theme by the name WordPress theme. Okay, so you need to know the themes. You may not need to know the themes offhand, right? So let's say we need this theme, WordPress by Frame Themes. You can click preview to see how it is like. Okay, and you can read all this. So it says if you come to demos .farem.com, you can preview the theme here just to see if it covers much detail as we want. So this one is a free theme. All right, this is the great part of the theme, right? Let's see. So this is the sample of the website that we want to design today, something like this. All right, so here you see it's giving this parallax effect, and we have this picture here that is moving, giving us this other cool feature, right? So here we can click on our services. You can see the services. You can have this parallax effect. We have our gallery here. We have some fun facts. We have a section subtitle. Then we have our news here. That is the blog. Then here we have contact information. You can put our phone numbers here. Then a contact form, option to join our newsletter. Here then we have our social footer. All right. So here you see this is the website on a desktop. There are options here whereby you can just view how it will look like on a tablet. Oh, great. So here you see this is mobile friendly. You can choose on a smartphone. This is how the site will look like. So we have our site looking the same. So let's say we want to download this one. We click download, and you can join there, and our theme is downloading. All right, once the theme downloads, then you just have to wait it to fully download. You come to the back end of the website, then you come here where it says appearance, then you come here where it says themes. So on themes, as we said earlier on, it's the general framework of your website. So we have 2021 theme with this one which says customize, this one already installed and activated. Then we have also these other themes, but they have less information and they are a bit ugly, so we need to add a new theme. So if you've downloaded a theme using the first option of buying it off Theme Forest and downloaded it as a zip folder, or you have downloaded a free theme, you come here, you click add new. From add new here, you come you click upload theme. So you upload the zip file of the theme. Then here it says if you have a theme in zip file format, you may install it or update it by uploading it here. So we have countless other themes here, but they don't meet our goals, so we may have to install a theme here. I'll come to my downloads, and here you see WordPress. This is the WordPress theme, right? So we click install now. Just wait until it's installed. Right, you can also search the theme here. We say search themes. If it's on the WordPress repository, then it will automatically come here and you simply install it from that option. Right, let's activate it. Activate. So the theme has been successfully installed and we have activated it. All right, but if you come here and refresh our website, right, you see here it's still a bit ugly. It's not as the WordPress that we saw earlier on. It's not as this WordPress theme. Okay, it's not as the WordPress theme that we had earlier on. WordPress theme. Where is it? Right, this one. Right, you see there's a difference here with the one that we have here. The one just have my blog, Hello World, and a few other details. Right, it's not the same here with this one. We want it to be like this one. Right, so we come here, we say manage. So we want to do what is called importing demo data. Come here, you click import demo data. So it says you need to install and activate the Fame Themes Demo Importer plugin first. All right, let's click install it, then activate it. All right, so a plugin, as I explained earlier on, it's a software on the website that kind of changes how our website looks. All right, so here you come here down here, you see we have a website like this one. Then we have, this is our preferred website. All right, so we want to import everything like what the website is. So we need to import all the plugins, users, all the posts and media, everything. Let's click import now. So depending on the strength of your network, this process of importing your theme can take 3 to, let's say, 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, if your network is strong, then it will take a few minutes then. Right, here we are installing the recommended plugins, the ones that will allow us to change the look and feel of the website. All right, whilst we are importing the data, let's come here and check where we are in terms of our lesson plan. All right, so we got a theme now. Now we are importing our demo data, and next is customizing the demo data. Then we move on to checking the installation of any other plugins that we may need as time goes by. All right, so let's come to the backend of our website. We are almost done. Okay, we're almost done. A few minutes. Let's wait. Right. So it's taking shape. Okay. All right. But if you come and check here, you see a website still very, very ugly, and it still have this footer logo here saying WordPress theme by Fame Themes. We need to remove this so that our potential competitors, they may not be able to see which theme did we use. All right, I'll show you what to do, and I'll show you the plugin that we use to remove this copyright data, so we can add a custom copyright data of our own. All right, we're almost done. So importing posts and media is the one that takes time. Okay, then we have a few widgets and importing some customized settings. All right, so as I said earlier on, this may take a few more minutes if your network is not that strong. All right, but we are almost there. A few minutes left from now. All right, so we need something exactly like this one, except for this down party. Let me remove this. Right, so we need our website would be a mirror of this one, exactly like this. So here having these options whereby if you click here, it will show you some options down here. Then someone can fill in the form, their email, their contact details, then they can join our newsletter, and it must have an option for shop whereby someone can purchase from our shop. All right, so we just need to import the demo data that includes everything on our new website. All right, the process is still going on, but we are almost there. Right, so we're done now, and you see it have ticked all these other options. Right, it's all done. View site. Right, let's come and view our site and see how it looks like. All right, great, it's opening. Bravo, bravo, bravo. Now you see we have a site exactly like this one. If we come on our demo here, you see this one is demo.foreignthemes.com/WordPress. You see now we have the same site with all the same features. All right, great. So we now have the same site with all the same features. Okay, this is our new site. Great, but maybe we would like to work on it so that people, one, we need some plugins that can do some pretty job for us, that can change part of the look and feel of the website. So this is the main framework, that's the theme. Now we need some plugins. First, let's install a plugin that allows us to remove this, which says Copyright C 2021 by Frame Themes. Great. So what you do is you come here to, it says my blog, you come to the dashboard. Right, from the dashboard, navigate where it says plugins. Right, when you come to the plugins here, you can see the installed ones and you can add new plugins. Right, on adding the plugins, then here we need to search for a plugin. So this is, or you can upload a plugin the same way we uploaded a theme, but this time we'll be uploading a plugin that we may have downloaded from another sites, or that we may find our plugin. Let's come to our lesson plan and see some of the important plugins that we need to install. Right, so we need a plugin by the name under maintenance, so that people cannot see that our website is still this junky. Whenever we try to open our website, we'll see that option where it says the website is undergoing maintenance. Let's say under maintenance or under construction. Right. Let's go through them and see which one we can install. Let's say under construction. Under construction. Okay. Right, fine. Let's choose under maintenance. You can't see anything on under construction. Under maintenance. Under maintenance. Right, or you can choose to install a plugin by its name. Like if you know the name of the plugin, or if you know who else came up with the plugin, then you can just do so. Right, let's do this. Right, okay, let's install all-in-one SEO. This is for search engine optimization. We'll talk about it later on. That's all-in-one SEO. Let's click and install this one. You'll see links to these plugins in the description of this video. We need a visual footer credit remover. Let's get a visual footer credit remover. Just type here, it will try to pick what you visual footer. Right, we need this one by Upward. Let's install it. We'll activate them at once. Do not worry about activating them as of yet. Right, so we need a plugin by the Seed Pro guys. That's Seed Pro. Alright, let's try to find if we can pick it down here. Right, construction. Right, we need this one under construction. Let's pick this one. It's all right, but you can choose from all the other ones down here. Right, you see this maintenance. Right, this is our right, this one is the one I was talking about. That's the one I prefer by Seed Prod. Okay, let's install this one and we'll activate it later on. Right, let's go on and install what is known as G Site Kit from Google. The G Site Kit is important as it will show us some key analytics. It will give us an option for the Search Console and AdSense, and it shows us some important speed information about the speed of our website and any other recommendations. So here you see how many people have activated it so far, how many have rated it, and if it's compatible with your version of WordPress and when it was last updated. It's some of the other important information that you may have to check before you choose a plugin. Right, we need to have Breezy and Elementor as our last plugins. Right, these plugins, they help us in building up our site. Let's come here and click that's Elementor. That's right, we can come here and let's write Elemento. All right. It's the one that we need. Right, let's search further. Right, it's not the one that we need. Right, let's not worry about Elementor now. Let's install Breezy. I'll put the links from Elementor down in the description of this video. All right, so let's work with these plugins for now, and I'll show you how you can make use of each and every one of the plugins. Okay. Right, it's installing. Okay, so now let's work on the first aspect of showing that our website is under construction. Okay, so we need to come under appearance. Sorry, we need to go on installed plugins, but we're still installing this one. Let's give it a moment to install. It's already right, it's installed. Let's come on installed plugins. Right here you see all these plugins that we have installed. All right, you simply come here, you click where it says, so you click this box, it ticks everything, you click activate, click apply. All right, so then here you also see you have an option of doing a bulk action, right? This is Askmate. Let's skip this one. We do not need Askmate as of yet. We'll move on to it. So let's come back here. Let's click the back arrow and come to our plugins. All right, so here you see we have activated all the plugins, and now we can start setting them up. All right, so let's show that our website is under construction, so that whoever tries to may try to open our website, to show them that this website is undergoing construction. So let's say coming soon, or you can choose maintenance if it's some maintenance that is going on. Right, let's click coming soon. So you can use this plugin to set up a coming soon or a maintenance page or a login page or a 404 page. That is, someone tries to search for something that does not exist. Right, so you can choose either blank template or this coming soon page or this one or these other catchy coming in soon pages. All right, so if you want to choose these catchy ones, this pro, you have to purchase this plugin using the link in the description of this video. All right, this is a sample of the template. All right, so here I want to go with an easy one and something that is free. Let me come on the record here. Simply click the tick on this box. Right, there we go. We are now setting up our coming soon page. Right, so here we need to connect it. Okay, we don't have an option to connect with an email marketing campaign. Let's come to the page and publish it. Let's give it a title that's coming soon. And here we're done. Let's come to the design aspect, and we can choose options. If you want to edit where it says SEO, then you can put whatever you are into. Let's say we are into road transport. Then maybe we are into C transport. So you see here it's showing on this option. Then you can click save and you can do a preview of this video. Sorry, a preview of this page. If you click preview, it will open in another new window, and this is exactly what someone will see if we activate our coming soon page. All right, so here let's come to the backend of our website. Let's just remove all this and come to the backend. So to log to the backend, simply write your website address, then /wp-admin. That's how you can log into your website. All right, we're back, and we need to finish setting up the coming up page. Let's come to pages. Here we just need to come and activate here, and on the top it will show coming soon or maintenance active. We are done. It means anyone who may try to open on our website and is not an admin, they'll see a message saying this website will be coming soon. So if you're done working on the backend, then you can deactivate this option. All right, let's come to the option where we want to remove some of the text on the footer down here. Right, we want to remove this copyright at the bottom. Right, let's come back. Let's go to the dashboard. From our dashboard, then we need to come to the plugins. Right, you come here, it says plugins, install plugins. Right, from the installed plugins, then let's choose visual footer credit remover. Right, here it will show you this is a snippet of our site. Then simply drag to the bottom and make sure you do not click anything, just drag to the bottom. This is the part that we want to remove. Okay, so here you see we've removed it, and we can undo it by coming to this side. So we want to replace it with something which we can type in here. So we need to replace it with copyright. Let's say 2021. Maybe to name it whatever, maybe my site. Then maybe something like design and hosting by, let's say it was done by City Cloud. Right, so we need to replace this, so we simply come here and click save. It has been updated. Right, let's come here and check it out. Something is updated. Right, so someone may ask, why is it the coming soon, or we've deactivated so that no one can see the front end of our website? We can see the front end simply because we are the admins. Whoever is not an admin, here you see it says howdy admin. If I log out as an admin, then I won't be able to see this. Oh, all right, so we haven't removed this. Let's give it one more try. We need to remove this and replace it with this. All right, cool. So now you see we have replaced it. Now we have a copyright which says website designed by City Cloud. If you can come and refresh here, I hope you can see the changes. All right, basically this is how you can remove the copyright on a theme that is usually a premium theme, because if it's a free theme, then you can't easily remove the copyright. But if you use this plugin, then you can remove the copyright at the footer of each and every premium theme. Right, let me just do a quick rundown of how you can then edit your site, maybe to put any other details, that is to customize it. I think we have come to almost the last section of our lesson plan. All right, let's come here. Let's log to the back end of our site. Right, or you can come here, you come to the dashboard. Right, let's come to the dashboard here, and right, you can add more and more, and you can connect more and more other plugins. Right, so Breezy is basically for web building our pages. Breezy, Elementor, we have so many of them that you can make use of. All right, and so here, these are the pages that we have. You can just have a look at the pages that we have. Then let's come here, it says appearance, and let's click on customize. All right, if we click on customize here, now you see we'll be able to get pages like this. I just want to show you how you can work on your website in changing some of the key issues on your website, changing its look and feel, changing the text. Right, so you see here, these are some of the pages. These are the pages like home, it's a page, history, it's a page. We have sample 1, service 2, service 3. These are all pages that you can customize. Let's say you want to customize this part. We are responsive, we are perfection. Okay. But let me go through you. Here you can change the theme. You can enter a totally different theme. Here you can change things like the color of the website. Here